Alright, man, here go another light slight video, man. Let me see, I can't even flip the camera. Anyway, I'm on my cell phone because I ain't know it's gonna come up here, so I'm recording from my cell phone, so I don't know what the quality gonna look like, but y'all gonna see. Anyway, if you know, I got my you see in the back, I don't know if you see it, Scat in the back. On my last Scat, like the gray one, I did something about the oil change and oil catch can, but basically once I got this car, because I already had the oil catch can from my last car, I basically put it on right when I got it. So I'm at like 4,700 miles, so I'm getting my first oil change right now. Got a stupid deal on it. Look, $40 for oil change. That's why I'm out here with my cell phone right now, because I'm gonna pass it up. Full synthetic, $40 oil change. So anyway, I'm coming up here to get my oil change, and basically I'm gonna let y'all know how much oil that the oil catch can basically caught in 4,700 miles. So like I said, I had it on there since I basically got the car, like first week. So once I get back to the house, I'm gonna dump it and show y'all how much oil is in the oil catch can. If you get like any of these cars, you know that you have to put oil catch can on, I recommend that you get it like basically right when you get the car. So I'm getting the first oil change right now, not paying $100 something, getting full synthetic, $40, can't beat it. Basically, I'm just gonna show y'all how much oil is in the oil catch can. Alright, so I'm back at the house, yo. I recorded some stuff at the shop, but the phone got overheated. I don't know, shit, so I need to let it cool down. But anyway, I can't even hold this shit out far. I don't even know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video on my phone because I don't feel like switching over to the camera. But basically, I did get the oil changed. I'm about to take the oil catch can off and show y'all how much oil is actually in here. Mind you, this has been on here for basically 4,700 miles, because right now I'm at 4,739 or something like that. So 4,700 miles, and the oil catch can been on there probably since like 200 miles, something probably even before then. But go ahead and take this off and show y'all. All right, y'all see the engine bay. It's a little dirty, man. It's a little, you know what that is. Yeah, so it's dirty. I need to clean this, but basically, okay, this is the oil catch can right here. I'm about to twist it off. I need to get a towel because it's super hot because I just got back to the house. I'm gonna show y'all how much oil is in this oil catch can. All right, so I got it off. Let's see, I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna probably put it in a bottle. Show y'all how much it really is. Let me try to focus in on it. It's probably like to about right. I don't know. We gonna see, man. I'm gonna pull this in a bottle, show you how much it is. It's hot as shit, so it may actually melt like the plastic bottle. I don't know, but we gonna see, man. All right, man. Got the bottle, got the oil. You see the heat on the feet, man. Y'all see? Let me go ahead, y'all. Heat. Anyway, man. All right, so here it is right here. Just how much oil was actually in the oil catch can. Like I said, I did have this on the car for pretty much the whole time I had the car. The car has 4,700 miles. I put it on pretty much like the first or second week of having the car. So I'm gonna say basically 4,500 miles. Just how much oil it caught. If you got a car to take oil catch can, I'm telling you, you might as well grab it. It does help, it does work. And you know, it's pretty much it. Just a quick video. Man, it's hot out here. Anyway, here go another quick video. Actually, you know, I might start this new thing because I got so many like videos and stuff I did, but because it wasn't a complete video, I just like let it go to waste. So what I'm doing today is like quick. It ain't gonna take no time at all. So I'm just gonna record this, and I got some other stuff that I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna put it all together because it's all like little minor shit. But before I go, you know, I'm about to show y'all. It's just some little shit, man. If y'all haven't already, I don't even know why I'm putting this video out, but go check out my boy Fast Life Russ video. He got an accident. The Camaro did get totaled. I'll put a video up right here, or some type of picture or something like that. But anyway, go to that video, drop a comment, like. If you ain't already subbed to the channel, go sub to the channel. You know, if you don't know, I did get an accident a while ago, and like, you know, these accidents is no joke. You know, people lose their life from accidents and shit like that. But luckily, you know, he's still alive. He didn't even get hurt. All he did is get, like, you know, his eye messed up. And you see the accident, you would think he got hurt, like, way worse than that. But anyway, go ahead and check out my boy Fast Life Russ channel. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Like I was just saying, I just noticed something. I was about to show y'all, and then I realized I actually made a mistake. So I ended up ordering, I'm about to go ahead and show y'all this. Ordered the $3.92 stuff, and these are actually, you know, for a charger. You see, this is too big. This is like for a charger. You see, this 3 is pretty much the same size as the whole thing together. So that's not going to even fit. But I did get this challenger right here for the front of the car. So y'all see right here, man. I don't know why, but this is silver, and you know, it just don't blend nowhere on the car. So I'm gonna put this red on there, and I think that's gonna make it pop like even more, because you see it's gold and red. Then put the red right there. We already got the gold and black, you know, gold and black and red, and you know, I got the red trim on the inside. I also got red, so it's little hits of red. That's why I got this in red and not gold. All right, man, you see it came out pretty, almost dead on. It's actually pretty much dead on. It's not cut to exactly fit the whole thing, but you, let me see, I don't know if the camera picking up. Anyway, I just put it on. No air bubbles is on there. Try to put a picture of you know, it reflecting at night basically, or some shit like that. But like I said, that's basically it, man. The other side is a fail, so you know, I still gotta figure something out for these right here. But just step back real quick, show you what it look like. Yeah, man, it look way better than that silver on there. But anyway, that's it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, left past 11.